Okay, so now let's solve a closed compass traverse. So this kind of problem is no need to correct the interior angle since one of the angle is not measured or unknown. So our problem is the interior angle of a six-sided closed traverse were measured as follows. A 108 degrees 7 minutes, B 57 degrees 29 minutes, C not measured or unknown, D is 40 degrees and 29 minutes, and E is 89 degrees and 17 minutes, and F is 145 and 7. So if all observed angles are measured to be correct, so determine the interior angle of C, no? And also determine the bearing of its line. If the bearing of the line AB is 30 minutes and 27 seconds. So tabulate accordingly. So use clockwise direction. So it has different answer if it's counterclockwise. So after this, we will solve the counterclockwise. So okay, AB is south 30 degrees and 27 minutes east. Okay, so first we will solve the missing data. So okay, solve first the interior angle. So the interior angle of a six-sided or a hexagon is equal to n minus 2 times 180. So since it has six-sided, so 180, so it has so 6 times 2, 4 times 180. So it has 720 degrees. So that's the interior angle of a six-sided traverse. Okay. Okay. So now first thing to do is to draw. It's required, no, to draw, and it's also easier to solve the problem when you draw the traverse. Okay, so first we need to draw the traverse. So let's start at station A. So I'll start here, station A. Again, during exam, so I will give the first station or station A. Station A, the first thing to do is to locate the bearing. So since it is south 30 degrees 27, again, so we will start 0, 0 at this part here. Okay, so 0, 0 starts out. So if this is the center of the protractor and center of your station, itaon mo dyan yung 0, 0. Okay, so this one will be 0, 0. Okay, so we 30 degrees, so papunta dito 1, 2, 30 degrees and 27, so 30 degrees. You follow also the distances, so 73 meters. So here 73. So 0, 0 start dito, 0, 0 to 73. Pumunta dyan. Okay, 73. So here we will draw the station B. Station B. Okay, so this is it. Since it is clockwise direction, so your angle should be your station A, B, C up to here, D and so on. But if it is a counterclockwise, so papunta ito A, B, C. Okay, after this clockwise, I will also continue recording to upload so that I can also upload the counterclockwise. So you can see the difference. Again, pag hindi given sa problem, if it is counter or clockwise or counter, usually it's always counterclockwise. But anyway, it's all both correct. Basta walang instruction. Pero just take note of this instruction clockwise. So our station should be going down, not going up. Kasi pa counter man yung going up. So ito yung pa going down. Okay, so now we will continue. So 50, B is 57. So you set your protractor. Dito ang 0, 0. Dito ang 0, 0. 0, 0. Dito sa line, sa course. Okay? again, dito ang start sa 0, 0. I will make it a center. 0, 0, and then 50. So, 57, 10, 20, 30, 40, 57. So, banda dito. Okay, 57. And then measured. So, the line is 66. So, 57. Punta dyan. Then, 66. So, here, 0, 0, up to yung dot. Kanina, dapat tamaan, 66. Pumunta dito. Okay? So, this would be our station. So that would be our station C. Then, it's better to continue. Let's check the unknown first, okay? So, how to solve theta C? So, theta C is equal to 720 minus theta A, theta B, theta C, theta D. C, it's not measured. So, theta D, theta E, and theta F, or all the theta. So, use your calculator to, let's check, no? So, we have 720 degrees minus 108, 7 minus 57.29 minus 40.29 minus 89, 17 minus 145, 7. Okay, so our answer is 279 and 31. Okay, so 279 minutes and 31 degrees. So this is now our C. Ito yung gamitin natin dito. So how to use in the calculate yung protractor. 'Di ba isang half dito, if you continue it drawing. So dito is kalahati is 80. Pumunta diyan dito 80, 'di ba? Ito 80. So isang 0 to 80. So how to draw the 279? So 279 here minus 180. So ilan na lang natira? 99 degrees. So you start here 99 degrees. Dito ka mag-start, okay? Parang deflection lang siya. Dito mag-start 99. So 90, then 99 dito malapit sa 100. So this would be your point, no? Kung saan dadaan yung traverse mo. And then you check ang given again. So this is 73, this is 66, and this one downward is 85. Okay, so again, let's set 0, 0 dito, going down. So it's 85. Punta dyan, 85. Okay, so this would be our station D. So ito na yung station D natin. Next, D is 40 degrees. Ito, 40, 27. So, again, dito ka mag-set ng 0, 0. Sa course mismo, sa line, ito yung 0, 0, 40. So, asa banda. So, dito banda, 40. Okay? Next, our distance is, this is 85. So, 123. Medyo madaki, no? So, this one, 123. 0, 0, up to 123. So, banda dito. So, from 0, 0 to 123. So, that's our station. Okay, so make a station. So, this is our station E. Yan. So, next is station D. Station A is, nara, 89, 17. So, dito din ka mag-start ng 0, 0. Always, no? Dito. Sa course, kasi interior man, 0, 0 papunta dito 80, 89. So dito banda 89. So distance E to F is 60 only. So start kay 0, 0, perfect atong 0, 0 up to 60 dito. Again, so this is the 89 degree 17. I-label lang natin muna, no? So, sa B, hindi pa. So, B, o sa A, B is 57 degrees 29. Next, dito is not measured pero na-solve natin kanina. 279 and 31. And then, D is, ito, papunta dyan, is 40 degrees 29. Next, dito na sa station EF. So, station F naman, so, 145. Again, dito ka mag-set ng 00. Papunta dito, 145. So, banda dito, 145. Then, distance is 65. Okay? So, more or less, i-close na lang natin. So, this more or less. So, meaning, malapit sa 65. Then, 60. So, this would be our drawing or for the traverse. And then, now, let's correct the bearing. So, in correction of bearing, it's much easier. Again, so, we have to complete the label. So, this one is 108 and 7 degrees. So, let's check. 108 ba? Okay, so 108. Our drawing is correct. Again, so this one is 145 degrees and 7. Okay, so in the traverse, we have a given, di ba? Ito yon kanina, given natin. So our given is south 30 degrees and 27 east. Papunta dito south. Okay, so meaning if this is the 30 degrees backward bearing for AB, BA, this one is north 30 degrees 27 west. Di ba? Pumunta dito. Okay. Now, how to solve the bearing? You, by inspection, check mo. If this one you will add is less than 90, meaning our bearing is this part here, dito. If it is more than 90, so sa baba. So, let's check, no? So, the bearing. So, 57, 29, plus 30, 27. So, 87, 56. So, it is less than 90 degrees, meaning our bearing is north, 87, 56 west. Okay? So, this would be our answer. North, 87 degrees, 56 southwest. Papuntang west. Okay, if this is the forward bearing southwest, dito sa baba, also, magiging 87 degrees, 56. Since it is south, ang backward is, north, south, east. So, dito yan sa nag-start, southeast. Okay. So, how to solve this angle here? So, palakihin natin ng konti, ha? So, this one, to get the bearing, itong bearing na to, dito, yung red, to get the bearing, the red, green plus blue minus 360. Di ba isang ikot? Sobra sa 360. So, we have, so, at station C. So, bearing at CD is equal to, i-add nyo lang tong bearing ng C to B plus theta C minus isang ikot, 360 degrees. Isang ikot. I-add nitong dalawa, ganyan, papunta dito. Minus natin sa isang ikot, so may natirang konti. Dito banda yung natira. So, this one is the bearing of CD. Okay? Hope you gets, no? Palakihin natin ng konti. So, manual to siya dito sa laptop. So, this one is 87.56 plus 279.31 minus 360. So, is equal to 7 degree and 27. So, bearing sa BC, 87 degrees 56 plus 279.31 minus 360 is equal to bearing CD is equal 7 degrees and 27 degree east. Okay? Let's try to calculator to double check. So we have 87.56 plus 279.31 minus 360. So 7 degree 27. So that would be southeast. Okay? So we can put the answer here. So south, so 7 degrees 27. Since hindi man hinahanap ang backward, so our answer is only forward. Automatic siya. Forward bearing. Kasi lang nakalagay dito, AB man, ABCD. So ganyan, forward. Okay, so if this is, so this one also become, ito naman yun siya. No? So become north 7 degrees 27 west. So it's the backward of CBCD. Okay? So our bearing for this line is from here papunta dito. Okay? So we need to solve the bearing DE. Okay, how to solve the bearing DE? Okay? To solve the bearing DE is just simply equal to, di ba? Blue plus green. Itong we already know, no? So, bearing DE is equal to, i-add nyo lang yung 7 degree 27, 7 plus 40 degree 29. So, at station D. Okay? 29. So, bearing DE is equal to north 47 degrees 56 west. Okay. So we have here north 47 degree 56 west. Okay, just add. Then that would also be our bearing. So if this is north 47 degrees 56 west, so backward bearing here is south 47 degrees 56 east. And this is just opposite of this one. Okay? And now we will solve the bearing dito sa taas. So bearing E, station EF. So bearing EF. Okay, so at station E. So bearing EF is just simply equal to kalahati, di ba? 180 minus 89.17 minus 47.56. Ito yan siya, yung dalawa. So, bearing EF is equal to 42 degrees 47. So, that would be northeast. So, papunta dito. North going to east. Yan. Okay? So, our EF, so this one is the EF. So, this is also south 42 degrees 47 papuntang west. So, dito na naman siya. Okay? This is all both equal. So, bearing EF, papunta dyan. Papunta dito naman sa kabila. Opposite, the backward is F to A. F, papuntang E. So, 42, 47. So, the answer here is north 42 degrees 47 east. Okay? So, next, we will solve the bearing. This one sa taas. So, this one is the bearing FA. Okay? So, how to solve the bearing FA? So, we already know na ang theta, this one, angle theta F is 145.7. So, bawasan natin ng 42. Yung sa green, 42, 47. Tapos, ang natira ito na lang, di ba, na banda. So, therefore, 180 minus dito. So, it's better to write it this way. So, at station F. So, 180, bearing FA, 180 plus, di ba, ito siya, 180, kalahati, plus 42, 47. So, hanggang dito, di ba? 180 plus tong bearing na to minus pabalik, which is 145 and 7 minutes. So bearing FA is equal to 77 minutes 40. So that would be northeast. So this is north, 77 degrees 40 northeast. So we will check, no? So if this is 77.40, dapat ito din magiging 77.40, only southwest. Then i-check natin if this one, both of these are 108 to see if our answer is correct. So no, at station A, makita, station A is equal to so theta A dapat bearing ng AF plus bearing ng AB. So itong dalawa ay add 77.40 plus 30.27 is equal to, so check natin kung 108 ba talaga yan, 7. So we have 77.40 plus 30.27. Okay, so our answer is correct. Theta A is 108.7. So therefore our answer is correct. So you can screenshot our answer. So this is the answer. Para ko na to. Okay, so let's so this would be our answer. Okay, can screenshot and then double check later. So this is if this is counter or this is clockwise. So we will solve fast, no? We will solve the, what if it is counterclockwise? Same given, so this one. Same given but only counterclockwise. So counterclockwise lang siya. So let's make it faster a little bit. Okay? So let's start from ito na ang block. So dito tayo mag-start station A. So station A to B, same ang bearing. So the bearing A to B is 30. So dito banda 30. And then the distance is 73. Same lang din sila. 73. So papunta dito 00, set 00, 73. So dito banda. So this would be our station B. Okay, so bearing dito is south 30 degrees 27 east. That's the given bearing. Since counterclockwise. So, di ba kanina, so this one going to this direction A, B, so pa-counter. So papunta dyan, counter clockwise. So clockwise. Dito, yung relo natin, tingnan na, ito na ang relo. So yung relo natin papunta dito clockwise. Yung pinagdaanan ng mga seconds, minute. So ito yung clockwise. Counterclockwise pa reverse. So ito na yung reverse. So dito na yung A, yung B natin pataas. So our B here is 50 A, station A, B, station B naman ito. So sa B is 57.29. So dito ka mag-start sa A. Start mag-A. So to 57.29. So dito banda 57. And then distance 66. So dito 00 66. So punta dyan. Okay. So station. Madali lang to class. Just practice in doing kanang sa drawing so that you will not take too much time. Again, we already solved the theta, same problem ni kanina. So theta C is 279.31. How to get this interior angle, n minus 2 times 180 is equal to 720. I-minus lang yung lahat ng given na angle. So solve na natin to. Same problem lang to ha. Ang naka-difference lang is counterclockwise ang direction. Okay, so again, how to do the 180? So, how to draw the 279? 279.31 minus 180. Kalahati ng protractor, so 99.31 na lang. So, this one is 180, kalahati. So, ang i-measure natin dito is 99. Start dito, papunta pa down. So, 99. So, dito banda. Then, it is the distance. So, again, this is 73 and this is 66. So, this one is 85. So, papunta dito. 0, 0 again. Start to station C. Then, 85. Papunta dito. 85. Yan. So, this is our station D. Oh, madali lang, no? So, station D. So, station D, angle D natin is 40 degrees 29. So, we will start measuring. Dito ang 00. Sa course, mag-start. Then, 49. So, dito banda, 49. Then, the distance is, so, again, CD is 85. So, now, we will measure 123. So, again, we'll start 00. Dadaan doon sa point kasi ito, from here, diba ito yung 40 degrees and 29. So, 123. So, dito banda. So, 0 to 123. Ayan, dito banda. So, this would be our station DE. Okay? So, again, this one, kanina, we measure 57 degree 29. So, this one is 279 and 31. This one is 40. And E is 89. So, from here, dito ka naman mag-start ng 00. Then, 89. Dito malapit sa 90. Then, measure 60. Ito. 60. 00. Then, 60. Okay, dito banda. Okay. So, this would be our station F. Okay. Again, so this one is E. Ano yung E? 89 degree 17. So, ang F, ay, since it is a closed traverse, i-close na lang siya. No? So, F, you have to double check also. When we measure 145, check natin kung 145. So, from here, going to this direction. So, 145 more or less. Okay? So, this one is 145 degrees and 7 minutes. So, now we will solve the, so this is our given. Okay? So, how to solve this part? So, if this is 30, backward is north, 30 degrees, 27. Going to west. So, therefore, so ito yan, di ba? This is ito yung backward bearing. So, ang isosolve natin is this one. Make it bigger na lang, ha. So, isolve natin is this part here. So, how to solve? So, easy lang, no? At station B, so 50, bearing at BC is equal to 57.29 minus 30.27. Okay. So, therefore, bearing BC is equal to north 27 degree 2 minutes east. So, you can write the answer. So, AB is south 30 degrees 27 east. So, our first answer is north 27 degrees and 2 minutes going to east. Okay, so if this is north BC, ang backward bearing, so this one, backward, diba? Opposite ng BC, so CD. So, south 27 degrees 2 minutes west. Okay, so our bearing unknown here is this one. Okay, bearing CD. So, how to solve bearing CD? So, dito ako mag-solve, ha. At station C. Dito magtingin. So, how to solve, di ba? Itong bearing na to, idagdag mo ito, i-minus nito sa 360. So, ang mabilin, itong bearing ng CD, itong red. Again, 360, isang buo, bawasan ng blue at saka black. Okay, nakapalo? So, therefore, So, bearing CD is equal to 360 minus 27.2 minus 279 degrees 31. So, bearing CD is equal to south, papunta doon sa baba, papunta sa right side, 53 degrees 27, southeast. So, ito na yung bearing dito. So, this is south, 53 degrees 27, east. So, therefore, if this is 53 degrees south, ang backward D to C is north, 53 degrees 27 west. So, dito na yon, same sila, back, forward, backward. Because we need to solve the bearing dito. Ang isolve natin, no? So, ito ang isosolve natin, yung green. Okay? So, how to solve the green? Yung, ano yung green? Bearing ng ED. So, therefore, at station D. So, bearing ED is equal to, so, red minus black, or 53, 27 minus 40, 29. Therefore, the bearing ED is equal to 1258. So, that would be northwest. Wait lang, isulat natin. So, bearing CD is south, 53 degree 27 east. Then, bearing natin ng DE, kung na-solve natin is north, 12 degrees 58 east. Okay? 58 east. So, if this is north 58 degree east, so ito namang sa baba, ang backward bearing, kaya nga, backward bearing also is very important, no? Ano, paano mo i-label yung forward at saka backward. So, this one is 12 degree 58 southeast. This is backward bearing of ED. So, therefore, how to solve the bearing dito? So, bearing E to F. So, at station F. So, bearing EF is equal to, i-minus lang silang dalawa, diba? So, ito yung angle. So, 89, 17 minus 1258. So, bearing EF is equal to south, ito yung natira, galing dito, south 76 degree 19, southwest. So, again, answer is south 76 degree 19 west, papunta doon sa west side. So, this is also the opposite. So, this is, if this is 76 19 southwest, so dito naman north 76 degrees 19 east. Okay, so how to solve the bearing? Asan na yung bearing sinusolve natin? Ito yung bearing dito sa baba. So, this would be our bearing FA. So, at, dito mag-solve, at station F, so we can solve now the bearing FA. So, bearing FA is equal to, so ito yan, di ba? Lahat itong tatlo is red plus black minus 180. Diba? Itong tatlo, itong dalawa lang pala. Itong dalawa, bawasan natin ng 180. So, the bearing FA. So, we have 76 degree 19 plus 145 degree 7 minus 180. So, therefore, bearing FA is equal to 41 degrees 26. That would be southwest. Dito sa baba, no? So, if this is 41.26 southwest, so the bearing here, the opposite or the backward bearing, the AF is equal to north, 41 degrees 26 northeast. So, therefore, we already have our answer. So, south, 41 degrees 26 west. So, how to know if our answer is correct? So, we will solve the theta here. Dapat, ang theta A should be equal to, saan na itong theta A? Given, 108 and 7. So, therefore, at station A, So, theta A is equal to, di ba, kalahati, no? So, 180 minus 4126 minus 3027. So, therefore, theta A is 108.7. So, parehas sa answer natin dito. So, meaning, our answer is correct. So, this is our answer. So, this is end our discussion. This is clockwise and counterclockwise solving problem of a closed traverse. Okay, let me try to zoom so that you can screenshot. Oy, so many keys. Screenshot the answer. Okay, you can practice it and review the video. Okay, so like, share, and follow. Okay, thank you. So that would be the first example for a closed traverse, no? Again, this closed traverse, no need adjustment because all the errors will be push or go to the missing angle. So lahat, walang correction. So antabay lang. So our next problem will be adjustment of a closed traverse na given yung lahat ng backward at saka forward na bearing. Okay, thank you.